Today, we're in the Baychester area of the Bronx. We're walking into a second floor elevator building, laundry, live-in super. Apartment has a balcony, dishwasher, and there's also a shared barbecue area for the building as well. So let's back up like we're just walking in. This is brand new carpeting. Look how lush that is. You'll see radiant baseboard heating. The kitchen part is tiled. Beautiful stainless steel appliances. A lot of cabinet space. A lot of counter preparation space. Your range is vented. You have radiant baseboard heating and your own private balcony. Now this apartment comes with a parking space. There's no charge for the parking space. Let's step outside. And you're also a few minutes walk to the 5 train as well. So we're walking into the living room area. Right past this nice kitchen. Double wide floor to ceiling closet. You back up so you can see some of these nice light fixtures here. Bathroom, nice vanity. I like these shower doors. It's really nice not to have shower curtains. And a king-size bedroom. King-size bed, 2 nightstands, a dresser, and double wide floor to ceiling closet again. So we're in the king-size bedroom. Let's do a recap. We'll end up back in the living room. This is a great value, parking space included. Come on down, take a look. We'd love to show this to you. This could be your next home. Thanks for watching.